I love you. Yan ang unang I love you ko ngayong mag-asawa na tayo.
Every day with you is magic.
Hindi ko alam kung may sasagot pa ba sa dasal ko. Nang mahanap kita at makilala kita, napasabi ako na God is really good kasi ikaw ang forever ko. Kahit matagal ako naghintay, matagal pala kitang makakasama.
For a lifetime of I love yous, two hearts, one beat. You whisper to me, be mine. For a lifetime, it's the little things that make our hearts meet.
To the man I'm facing right now, love. Erson Abana Capella. Erson C. I love you and thank you.
And here we are for a lifetime.
Thank you, Lord, for unanswered prayers. With your presence and guidance, I promise to love my wife. Sa mga panahong di tayo okay at sa mga panahong okay tayo, I can guarantee to you that my love will remain the same. Tulad ng mga panahong picture mo pa lang, napa-thank you Lord na ako, siya na yun.
Be mine for a lifetime. It's the little things that make our hearts meet. It's like
with great confidence and with wonderful loving attitude. And when you came, you were my answered prayer already.
And here we are for a lifetime. Forever and ever for a lifetime. Forever.
Once again, love, I love you. Thank you for everything. Always remember that I will always be proud of you. Support you no matter what. I will be your silver lining kapag nag-overthink ka. And I will always be on your side to be with you. Let us unlock more dreams, travel wherever we want, and that's what I love you.
ang kanyang banal na halik sa kanyang asawa.
Waited and we've prayed. Oh darling, say my name. I know.
And I pray to God na sana hindi ka mapagod sa akin. Love, I will always be your #1 kaaway and forever supporter. And I will always love you. I love you, love.
And here we are for a lifetime.